Hey future business analysts, want to avoid project confusion, missed requirements, and scope creep? Then you need to master scope models. Let's break it down in a simple, fun way. Let's go. Scope models is one of the essential techniques for business analysts, and scope models define what's included and what's excluded in a project, solution, or change. They act like a clear boundary line, helping you and your stakeholders stay focused. Think of it like planning a house renovation. In scope, kitchen and living room makeover. Out of scope, building a swimming pool. Both, keeping some furniture but replacing others. Let's dive into the types of scope models. In scope, what's inside the boundary focuses on what's being worked on. Example, a functional decomposition diagram breaks a system into smaller parts, showing what's covered. Out of scope, what's outside the boundary shows what's not included in the project. Example, a context diagram highlights the system's interactions but excludes external factors. Both in and out, seeing both sides, displays what's included and excluded in a single view. Example, a Venn diagram or a use case model that shows overlapping areas. Scope models help define scope of control. Who's responsible for what? Example, a company handling customer orders in scope, but not third-party delivery out of scope. Scope of need. What do stakeholders require? Example, a hospital's patient records system includes patient details in scope, but excludes insurance claims out of scope. Scope of solution. What problems are being solved? Example, a company upgrading its billing software in scope, but keeping pricing strategies the same out of scope. Scope of change. What actions will be taken? Example, a website redesigning its UI in scope, but not touching the backend system out of scope. Final thoughts. Why scope models matter? They help avoid confusion, set clear expectations, and keep projects on track. If your scope is changing, make sure you update the model for each phase or iteration. Now you're one step closer to becoming a pro business analyst. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. See you in the next one.